around the world under one roof here with Chef Hoskey. Today I'm going to do the delicious Chicken Luau Stew. Now this is one of our best dish that we eat in Hawaii. You go to every luau, they have beef luau, chicken luau. Well, I like mine with chicken, coconut milk, and the luau leaves. Luau was actually created with the Hawaiians as a feast. So what it is, women and men couldn't eat together. And when King Kamehameha II became king, he abolished the rule and he allowed everyone to come together as one with the women and men to eat together. So that's how they had the name luau. And it was a big, huge feast. So the luau is always going to have luau leaves prepared with meat and coconut milk and other types of food. So today I'm making chicken luau. I love chicken luau. And so follow me and I'm going to show you how to make some Hawaiian chicken luau stew. So right now I have 3 pounds of luau leaves. You can start with 2 pounds. I have 3 pounds because I like a lot of leaves in my luau stew. And I'm stripping the purple skin that is on the stems of the luau leaves and just strip them all off of the leaves and cleaning the stems. Now I'm removing the stems from the leaves and getting the leaves prepared to chopping the leaves. Luau leaves can also be cooked with na'au, which is pig intestines, and we also use it as one of our famous dishes, Lau Lau. Now I'm rolling the leaves and I'm coarsely chopping the leaves, bite sizes. Going through the stems, taking the stems off of my leaves again, chopping it coarsely. Now I'm chopping my stems about 2 to 3 inches. Some of the stems I left some of the purple skin on them, so I'm just peeling them off, checking them and peeling them off. There, now I'm done. Now I'm washing my leaves very well. I let it soak for about 15 minutes and let it wash really well. So this is the luau leaves that I had already cleaned and froze in a bag. And then I rinsed it off with cold water, drained it, put it in a bowl. Got some chicken thighs, garlic. I have some chicken bouillon, which is more of the paste. I have some Hawaiian salt. If you don't have Hawaiian salt, use sea salt. And coconut milk. So I'm going to begin by cutting my chicken. Cut your chicken in medium-sized pieces. Five or 6 big cloves of garlic. Okay, so right now you see me getting all the garlic together, and now I'm smashing the garlic to get the skin, take the skin off quicker and faster. I took the tips off and now I'm mincing the garlic and getting it ready for the chicken luau stew. Mincing really well and fine. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to put the chicken, salt, pepper, and the garlic. And now I'm cooking it well until the chicken is no longer pink. So you want to cook it down to maybe about 5 to 8 minutes. Then you add in your luau leaves. Now I froze my luau leaves ahead of time, but you don't have to do that. You can cook them fresh too. Make sure you cook them really well, because if you undercook luau leaves, you can get an itchiness in your throat. So make sure you cook it very well. I'm adding in garlic and onion powder. It has tiny crystals of substance called calcium oxide in the leaves. It's a natural pesticide. So if you undercook it, you can get an itchiness in your throat. That's it. So make sure you cook it well. You don't want to have the itchy throat. Okay, now you get I'm putting the 3 cans of coconut milk. You can use any brand, it doesn't matter. I love that brand, the Thai brand. Okay, and I'm mixing it well for another 5 to 7 minutes. can let it cook. Make sure you check on it 5 to 7 minutes and stir it so it doesn't burn. 30 minutes later, it's about almost done. Cooking and stirring it. Getting ready to add in my chicken bouillon. Now the one I'm using is the Better Than Bouillon. The roasted chicken is in a jar with the black label, but you can use the regular one, that is the square one, 2 to 3 squares of them. If not, I'm using 2 tablespoons of the bouillon paste. That gives it a good flavor. And you stir it really well for another 3 minutes. Then cover it, cook it for another 15 minutes, and there you have it. There go the Chicken Luau Stew, and it's done. Time for grind, and as we say in Hawaii, broke them out. The famous Luau Stew. Thank you for watching my show. I hope you enjoyed it. And please pop a like if you like what you've seen. Please share with your family and friends. And also, please do subscribe so you'll be notified for my next show. Now, next week I will be making, well actually, next week I'm going to have my daughter in the kitchen, Kanani, and we are going to be making some enchiladas. Actually, she's going to be making enchiladas. I'm going to be assisting her. So join me next week for some delicious enchiladas that are going to be made by Kanani, my daughter. And thank you for watching my show today. I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day. Ahui ho. Ahui ho means to next time. And aloha. Have a wonderful day. Also, I do want to give a shout out to my uncle, Derek Cammy. If you are watching, thank you so much for the music that you sang and I put up for my intro for my video and for my end of my video. I really do appreciate Island Style. Love you, Uncle. Wish you nothing but the best. Aloha.